In this video, I am going to show you how to add weather widget to your website with Elfsight. 1. Head over to Elfsight and select the weather widget from the menu of apps. 2. Click on Create Widget and choose a template that suits your website's style and requirements. 3. Click Continue with this template and specify the location for which you want to display the weather on the Content tab. Customize the appearance of your widget on the Appearance tab. Once satisfied, click Join to install if you haven't signed up already. Click on the code provided to copy it and proceed to your website's admin panel, which is WordPress. Add an HTML block and then paste the copied code from Elfsight earlier and click Save to see your weather widget on your website is already installed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.